Too weak, creature born.
A kill is a kill.
Discounts for peace! Your aura guided me to what you needed. I can feel our energies resonate.
If the creature takes over, run.
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. Defeat does not defeat me.
Listen. These are my hunting grounds. Find your own.
Size dilutes the brain. Mind is high. Tell everyone you got it here. You're a smart one for your size.
Curio sells junk. We refurbish junk. Our items have lived. They have stories.
I've studied for this. I can win. Please, don't tell Master about this.
I'm not getting out of this pool, darling. But you're welcome to join me. That looks fabulous on you.
Whatever doesn't kill me makes me angry.
They don't make these like they used to.
Small things remind me of seeds, acorn. I'll never resell this. This is a gift at any price. Is it because I talk too slow?
Whatever you want from me, it's not what you'll get.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms. Like my crew says at the bar, another round!
Oh, you gonna squeal like a sprig in a hay trap. Ah, you gold-praying ski-waller!
My battle days are over, but my weapons crave more. Go make some more stories, then come back and tell me.
I teach, you learn. We're a good team. Thanks for trusting me. I hope we can do this again.
There is a power in me I can't control. Be careful.
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobody. Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
The smaller the portions, the finer. Shall I wrap it for you?
Any good fights lately? Well, I do miss it. The Bazaar is not kind to the weaponless.
I must align our temporal frequencies. It should not be painful. Find the old tinker. Tell him I am here.
Oh, come on, then. Let's get
The Bazaar is a good teacher.
Imagine the wonders waiting for us in the ground.
If you wake up the creature, what happens next is on you.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? I can see you're going places, but I'll be chasing you.
and your destruments. You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this.
Bazarian's all too serious. Remember how to play. Bye. You go by weapon?
Somewhere in all these carcasses, I'll find my answers.
I'll give you one chance to choose the right toppings. One chance. Spin it! On meatballs! Is this some sick joke?
This world has strange folk, strange ways. And I'm learning all of them.
There are a lot of steps in this staircase, but it's beautiful up there.
People here look so vulnerable.
If I knock you down quickly, you will be safe.
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist... You've got talent. You should put it toward nobler use.
How dare you talk on the edge? Get stronger, finally.
Use what I teach. Bring others into the long time.
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. All about moderation. See that mountain? That's...
Make deals, not war. so glad we could share this experience today.
I've been tracking you across the Outlands. Your scent is strong.
I may look refined, but I was raised on the streets. I bet you don't even tip.
Sale, no sale. Oh, I used to offer a free ride home, but people thought it was weird. If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy.
Sylvia and I. Oh, it was a... Confidence goes a long way. Turns silver into... more than silver.
Overpaid for that one.
Creature gets stronger too.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Ready to pick up the pace? So long.
The smaller the portions, the finer the meal. Shall I grab it for you? You want to buy that? I mean, excellent choice.
I will try to be gentle.
Send me your huge items. Price? Don't care. Buy from Barcoon instead. He actually cares about this.
You must think very highly of yourself to challenge me. thought I'd reached the limits of the art.
We killed paper monster. Yes, and only monsters.
To trust the shrouded stranger. At the edge of the foundation, they wait. They build.
Don't hurt them, creature.
No promises. My dreams are too big for you to steal. I believed in myself and I still lost.
This will maybe too much meat.
Gifted creature.
I can handle a little danger, Karnok. Even yours.
Reward the peaceful, punish the warful. I can feel our energies resonating.
Any good fights lately? Oh, I do miss it. I hope you live long enough to reconsider.
You with the Gorgons? Nasty snakes. You gotta be with the Gorgons, slimy snakes.
I hunt monsters, not people. But for you, I'll make an exception.
Go ahead, underestimate me. It makes this more fun. Bring her about! I've got another salvo in me.
Getting closer to the answers. Sketching a map in my mind.
I would never debase my awareness by buyer's remorse, never. Be remorseless.
The world whirls like the wind. To be a dervish is to be free. Join us.
I'll help you master your skills if you're willing to do the work. Like, all the work.
Some hunters lay traps. I like to face my prey. The forests on Tegan would eat you alive. Fairly fought, fairly won.
No! Fight again!
I wish they'd leave me alone. But it is a pleasure to make them.